Hello everyone, welcome to Vizrt Tuesday Tutorials. My name is Richard Evans. Don't you forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today you'll notice that my color looks a little off. Why? Well, that's because the current settings on my Vizrt PTZ camera is not white balanced properly for this room. So in this video, I'm going to show you a cool and simple feature within the Vizrt PTZ cameras of being able to white balance your cameras. So no matter where you are, you can have all of your camera shots looking top-notch. So, let me show you how it's done, son! Alright, so here I am in the TriCaster Vision interface. I got my friends over here cheering me along. Woo, let's do this. Let's white balance these cameras, because as you can see, I'm kind of in a similar shot here as far as the lighting is concerned, but this does not match any of my other shots coming through on my other inputs. So, let's go ahead and take a look of how to white balance your cameras directly on the TriCaster itself. Okay, so first thing I need to do is let's go over to input number 1 and click on the gear icon like so. All right, so the next thing that I recommend doing is getting a vital piece of equipment here, which is just a piece of foam board. All right, just a white piece of foam board so that we can have a good reference to tell the TriCaster on what to calibrate on. All right, so make sure you have it pretty much around where your camera source is going to be shooting, just because of different lighting, etc. So I'm just going to put it right here in front of my face. Yeah. Okay. So from here, let's go ahead and fill the entire frame up with this whiteboard. Let me zoom in here. All right. And pan it over here. All right. So now we have a full shot here of my foam board right in front of my face. Okay, so next thing we need to do is we'll go to the bottom of our PTZ settings here, and you'll see I have a couple of different options to choose from to adjust my camera shot, etc. But what I'm going to look at is on the white balance side. I can click that, and there's a couple of different drop downs in here to help you with different white balance options. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one push like so, and as soon as I do that, you notice it already change the color of my foam board here, but we can also hit execute, and now let's zoom our camera shot back with my preset that I have, get rid of the foam board, and hey, looking a lot better. All right, so great way to white balance your cameras. Now, another way you can take a look at this if you want to get into the nitty-gritty of things, let's go ahead and go to workspaces, and under load defaults, let's go to scopes like so. Okay, so even here, like, let me bring up my shot on preview. So if I hit my input on preview, oops, let me hit the correct button. There we go. So now you'll see these are my different colors to go for. Because sometimes with your PTZ cameras, they may be way in the back, so you might not be able to zoom all the way into filling the frame with the foam board, for example. So what you can do is, I'll do it this way. So I'll put my foam board back. But now, even if I couldn't zoom in all the way, I could go and look through on my waveform here and also on my vector scope to see where that white is. So even if I have some colors on the outside, you'll see when I do that, my hand starts to appear like a ghost, which is pretty cool over on the vector scope. But right here in the middle, that's where we want that white to be. All right. Now you can also go into the camera itself and mess around with the settings manually in there, or you can do it all from within this tab. So some pretty cool stuff, but a great way to get all of your cameras lined up. So if you're doing a multicam shoot, that would be what I would recommend. Just go through each camera individually, put up a piece of foam board, and white balance your cameras. Like that, you're up and running. So some cool stuff with this. Highly recommend checking it out, and of course, have some fun. Hey, there you have it. A quick and easy way to get your PTZ camera shots looking perfect. Now, for more videos on the TriCaster Vision and other Vizrt products, make sure that you subscribe to the Vizrt YouTube channel at youtube.com/VizRTofficial. And for formalized Vizrt product training, sign up for Viz University, available at vizrt.com/community/viz-university. And you can find more information about Vizrt products and services by contacting your local Vizrt partner or checking out our website, vizrt.com. And if you are posting your work using Vizrt products on social media, make sure that you tag us using the hashtags Vizrt, TriCaster, or Vision. We love seeing all of your work. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon for another episode of Vizrt Tuesday Tutorials.